Hey, good day everyone. This is Jeff McDowell, the bald guy here, bringing you a video tour on this cold, brisk, snowy day. Having to protect the old dome piece today. But this is a 2016 certified pre-owned C300. Really cool because of the fact it has a paint that not a lot of cars have. Let's go ahead and take a look here. You'll notice that we do have our nice brown metallic paint. The one thing I do like, if you notice here, is I kind of transition from one side to the other. It does kind of change in shade. Part of that from that metallic. We do have the upgraded 18-inch split 5-spoke wheels. One of my favorites. I actually have that on my own C300. Two-tone interior, the beige on black with the burl wood. Heated front seats, which will be glorious today. If you notice, the seats don't have a lot of off-coloring to them, which is nice because that means the previous owner did take good care of the vehicle. The back seat area does not look like anybody's ever really been in it. There's also no odors from like pets or smoking inside of the vehicle. Let's hop here on the driver's side. We do have the blind spot assist in here. Panoramic sunroof, which you'll see translates. One of the nice things I did turn on already is the heated steering wheel. And of course my heated front seat. Just over 33,000 miles. Of course, this does your Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone, high definition AM, FM satellite, and then you can access all the pieces here from your auto climate control and then your activities. Taking a look at the Carfax, you'll see it is no accidents, no damage. Local here on a personal lease, and it was maintained with a Mercedes-Benz dealership. And then we actually picked it up here for ourselves. So really nice car to actually have. Bought here, maintained here, so excellent pedigree through it. But I would love to invite you in to take an actual car out, or excuse me, take the car out for an actual drive and talk to you a little bit more. Thank you so much.